Hi guys, welcome back to Math Jamboree. We have another digital SAT math type of a question from the topic of parts of a circle. Let's dive into it. Which of the following coordinates lie on circle whose equation is x squared plus y plus 5 squared is equal to 50? To solve this question, we will just substitute the given x and y values in order pairs. The first one is the x always, and the second one is the y in the equation, and we will just look for whether it satisfies the equation or not. So let's substitute it. 0 for x this time. 0 squared plus 2 plus 5 squared. Does that give you 50? Let's check. 0 squared is 0, and 2 plus 5 is 7. 7 squared is 49. And can I get 50 by adding 0 and 49? No, I cannot. So A is not the answer. So we're gonna substitute 5 for x and 0 for y in this case. 5 squared plus 5 squared. Does this give you 50? Let's check. 5 squared is 25 plus 0 plus 5 is 5. 5 squared is again 25. Does this give you 50? 25 plus 25 is yes, it does. Therefore, the answer should be B. But we're gonna check other choices as well. 3 this time for x and -5 for y. Does this equal to 50? 3 squared is 9 and 0 squared is 0. And does this equal to 50? No, it does not. That's why it's not the answer. And -5 for x plus 1 plus 5 squared. Does it give you 50? -5 squared is 25 plus 6 squared is 36. Does this equal to 50? No, it does not. That's why the right choice is B for the specific question. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you have questions or comments, you can always leave it below there. See you next time. Bye-bye.